In this video, I'm going to show you the process of requesting an overdraft at Lloyds Bank. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So, let's begin. You can complete this process via the online banking platform by visiting lloydsbank.com, whether you are using a computer or a mobile device. After that, you can log in using your credential and initiate the overdraft application. To get started, utilize the search function at the top of the website and look for overdraft. When you search for overdraft, you'll be directed to a search result page, and the first product listed is overdraft. Let's proceed by clicking on Learn More. This will redirect you to a comprehensive page where you will find an overview of what an overdraft is. The application process is quite straightforward. Just log in with your credential. Once you are satisfied and wish to apply for an overdraft at your convenience, select Check Your Eligibility at the top. You'll be directed to a page where you can input your credential to initiate the application. At this point, you can easily follow the on-screen instruction or return to this page to review the detailed steps. The process is user-friendly, and as long as you verify your eligibility from this page, you can confidently proceed with applying for an overdraft. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.